rent is due. But I'm not talking about me, maybe I'm talking about you. But here we go on. In a real life, we are talking about a new movie. We're out right now. As a matter of fact, I hit your watch. So get your popcorn, get a big soda, get comfortable, gather your family around. Cause we have a new movie out right now. Here we go on. So just remember, like, subscribe, share, comment, and just do the right thing. Cause we out here do it for you too. Merry Christmas when you come. Happy New Year next year. Alright? Active for true. It's early, I'm out of camera, man. Just one time for them. I early should go up on the road because I said, pay this rent money here today. I feel agreed today. I rent due. I don't say all read. I feel read. I don't say all read. Well, Miss Carl. May I go to man? Father, try. Just help me today. You know, so today go on a rough day, but that's a task if you help me. Just help me, what are the time for trouble? Just give me 1 month worth of freedom. I don't feel alright. Pause. Now come.
Still going on a big man. Morning.
Good morning, sir. What morning?
You know that you're in here from when?
Yeah, man, me know say today do, man. Oh, no, say today do, but you know, I work on it, man. I make sure say, yo, I do what I can do for me to get paid, man, today.
That mean you keep on having this over and over. Every time I rent you, you take a long trip together.
No, man, I don't take long to pay, you know. I just it's not much of everything. Remember, say normal, I'm paying rent. I remember, say, I just too. My parents them pass away in the last 2 months. So that's why I'm kind of fall back on my Facebook. Me I work on it, man. Don't worry about it.
Your situation and not my situation and not my business, you know, bro. Me not gonna lean and sip on you, you know, bro. Make sure say before the day done, me get the money.
So you couldn't extend the time to next week.
Today more of my money. Me not gonna lean and sip on you as me tell you early and today more of my money, bro.
Alright. Tell you, I work on it as best as I can. So if I find half a month today, you couldn't do something.
9:32, me I'll get until
5.
3 o'clock.
You can't give me till no, you have to give me until at least any idea man, until the evening or so. Give me at least till 6 o'clock.
She a good boy. Second time this they happen to me. Then get till 6 o'clock, bro.
So I say if me give you half, you can't.
No, bro. Which half? Where you get half from? After the half I house I live in a.
Alright. Alright, I work about it. I work then.
Just when I come back 6 o'clock and you don't have my money. That's never put you out.
Alright, boss, I understand.
Alright, just mark word. Big up yourself.
Alright. Call it $4,000. So you never find 21 more thousand from 25,000 I'm already done and we have 4,000. What me I do for that? What me I got it for? And if when you come back, me can't just lock the door and pretend something like that. What? When you have key for your house, what me I got to? I can't see it right with me about the place. Alright. No, me not give up. Me not give up. I'm in a tough situation. Barely make my parents them. Girlfriend left me. And I know when you there for families and walk my car me back but after turn at this a place and it's a place I only place I feel like I'm at home. Can't get put out. Can't get put out. Alright. I send one voice note to myself when I can some show today because I have to go find my way. Dobby. Mr. Dobby I talk to you. Now I say I go through all that right now. You know I say things seem tough. But here I go on this morning just start. I look a bit off at 9 and now I already do 6 o'clock. So here I go on. You know say I'm a true believer and you know say I'll do it. You have 4,000 I have to find 21 more thousand before the day if I come. So, but more I do, I get up. I get up Looking at the mirror and tell yourself say I'll do it. Cause enough people don't say I struggle, you know. Enough people think say struggle loud. Say when you struggle you have to wear dirty clothes and pack down and look worse, but in real life I'm not even so you go. Cause you've been a struggle for the longest time and nobody not even see it. Cause you still a smile, style who you can, but this yeah, man. Here I go, man. Me I chat to you. Me I chat to you. Someone say I'll do it today, yeah. Someone say I'll do it today. Kayla.
Me dear, I wish breeze blow you come right here, so no.
Morning, no.
Morning, me there. I want to make you reach my yard.
You know, say I just come look for you, know. My best ex, so I go on.
Nothing no go on.
You alright?
Yeah, me wonderful.
For real?
How are you beg?
I'm big nothing. I just go and check on you.
No man. Me I left around 3 months now. And you know how much?
Around 2.
Round 2 months now, right? And you know come look for me them the period of time. They know you come look for me.
Kayla,
I was so special about that time, eh?
how me for look for you in them time? You know, say in them time that my parents said did fall out and me dey have a funeral and stuff. Now you're not even come at my funeral and look on parents and treat you good.
But me ain't no there.
No matter.
It matter.
You could have show your
Me
respect.
not in the family member. See, your mother never tree like me. Your father not tree like me. So it never really make no sense.
You're a liar. The only reason you think they never like you because you give them a bun. That's the only reason you think they never like you.
Actually, they never spend you doggy bun. You keep bun under style.
I would never do
You
that.
see me kill.
But either ways, I may say you could have definitely made my time I need. But all of that good still.
And you left me, you forget that?
Definitely because me kill them.
So me left you in the time I need. If you didn't need me in the time I need, you'd stay with me with the bun. You wouldn't leave. You'd stick with together.
Killer,
With the bun.
you're not good for me. You're never good for me.
Oh my dear. Oh my.
You're never good for me. If me did that with you no long,
Hello, my man so come. Or up and talk. Me have a man now. Or up and talk. My man so come. Or up and
alright.
talk.
Killer, in all of the situation, you know what I say? I don't really have no family and the girl because I pass you also. I don't really have no friend I'm comfortable with like that. Killer, I'm ready you.
Oh my God, what me have to do with that?
At 25,000 for me, I only have 4,000. I don't know how you stay. I'm not big enough, but I want to borrow one 21,000. If you can lend it, I really appreciate it. And if you even want to put some money on it, you can work and make it get it.
No,
The reason why I don't have you now, from my lease, I'm not going to call me back. They say in the next 2 weeks or so, because season I take time and I pick up back. So by them time, I work and I can make it get back in money. So that's all I ask for, because I depend on my face and all my landlord, he mad to put me out because I didn't pay last month rent.
Yeah, you hear what you said to me while ago? You hear everything I come out here, man? You left all the way your yard, come here, ex yard, come beg your ex 21,000.
No, borrow.
Borrow.
With interest.
With interest. If you can't find the money to pay your rent, where you go find from to pay me back?
I go get me tell us in the time I have work and so me more than give you back.
That is to me now. Except me and you was in a relationship, me woulda give you the money. But you see, through me and you not there, me can't give you the money. Me sorry. Can't help you. If we were together, I would have give you the money or give you even half of the money. But that work, me that go out there and come back in with the money can't give you. But me ain't not there. But some don't know how can't help you.
Yeah, you can't, you don't have the money, you can't lend me half of it.
Alright, guess what? My room dirty. I'm not in the mood for clean it. So if I clean up my room, I give you 5 grand.
5
That's
grand?
yeah, that's all I can do. I can't do better than that.
Alright, come and show me your room now.
Come here. See your room here, clean it up.
You know all that bad now.
Just have to let me leave and put up your bed.
Alright. It's a 5,000?
Yes, 5,000. Me I go back for the front.
Alright. Alright. 5,000. Let's clean this area. This is not bad. Do this one. It's a 5,000 and we just go on. Look a bit more money. Means that I can't pay my rent in no time. That's what I tell her this man say I go find one way. Kayla! Kayla! Yuck! Kayla!
What happened? Which is man, me get work for doing your call me name. Me not like to call me name, no. Me head a me tired.
You know see you was condom up on your bed with all semen in there.
So take it up. No, pay fix me place. We can take up the condom, man.
Give me one gloves, man. Me not Kayla, me not know okay. Give me one gloves.
Me not have no gloves. Take up the condom with your hand and take one like your baby. And this morning me use me and my man just too long. My man just don't do the do. I'm exhausted and tired, man. Take up your condom.
No, brother, I come like you lose it. Come like you lose the relationship, but and you sense them too. Come take up use condom with my hand. Me look like idiot.
Me feel like I idiot.
Give me one gloves, man, if you want me clean.
Hello, take up the condom and me give you 6,000 now.
No, you can't buy me out for them disrespectful set there. You can't buy me out, so brother. Give me one gloves now.
You don't want the money? Me have a rent you pay. Take up the condom. Me not take up the condom and give you 5 grand.
But you just a 6 a while ago.
Me a 6 me a skip with you. Why don't you interrupt me, man? Jesus Christ, man. Clean up the place.
Let's make sure it's not money.
You want it and I have a choice. You need it.
So for underpants, you say?
My man underpants. Pick it up. But take up the man underpants with no condom, boy. Take up the condom with your hand. Me get my ticket dash it on you, you know.
Yo, you have to give me 6.5. Give me 6.5.
I get 6
You have to give me 6.5 if you want me.
Just have to take up the condom in here, give me tough time. I know I'm scared. Me easy to get
You
ignorant.
have to give me 6.5 for that.
Me-
You try to humiliate me.
I'm sure what it is. Sure what it is. Room in me.
Yo, I want to share my yacht.
What am I house, man? You can't come back my money.
Yo,
I'm coming box in your face with the
yo, give me money.
What's money?
Give me money.
You do work to get money. Move on. If you let me in, you call me, man. I won't go to police station and say you left from all the way yard. Come and harass me in my house, Davy. Look how far you come and harass me. Help! Lord of God, help! You harass me. Move! Come here, come beg me money. You know, no pride. Box.
Yeah, tell you, man. No girl can't diss me, you know. You lick me in my face with condom and sitting. You can't diss me. Keep your 6 grand. You idiot to hear. Come on, I tell lies say about me over your abuse of Jesus Christ. Man, what am I doing in a life for this earth? Yo, where are you, bro?
Yeah, my father. Let's go.
There, man. Bro, I know what I say. Dog life I beat me wicked, man. I tell you no like that.
How going on here, father?
Bro, right now I'm stressed out. I'm stressed to the max. I'm shame, I'm embarrassed, bro. Life not deal with me good.
She might embarrass. How going on?
I know, so this morning, I'm telling you from the start, you know what I say? I'm grown dog, so when things are going on in life right now, make me kind of broke. Storm, funeral, everything, dog. But my rent due. I owe dog from the last one. But bro, me as a man, yes, when me have money, I pay my rent for regular, dog.
Time you know for thing already,
bro, I never owe him money, you know. Last month I first owe him. You see me? So, rent due today, you know, bro. And dog. I say, yo, you know, no leniency, you want the money. I ask him, say, yo, post me can find half by the day if you done. He must say, yo, you know, I know half either. Me getting all money. I'm come out and place. I mean I say a normal pre-cards I an idea of him play star, but me I say if you say me I want tenant for over 2 years and I just since every little thing happen dog, I just spoil you. I say you could have been more lenient with me, but it's a normal priest, because every man of them want money, you know? And everybody want their money differently. So I'm not really best with him for that. But this man, I'm sorry, I'm only my ex-girl over there too much years now that all that girl there makes now.
What, Slim as there?
Yeah, all that girl there makes now, that girl there wicked, man. I tell you now, like, when people in there not even come off funeral because me and him left. You know how me and him left? He give me a bun. A wicked piece of girl. The girl there.
I go check him this morning.
We check him and see if me can dog. I tell him someone to borrow a piece of money from him. And give him with interest, bro. Cause me not, bro, I desperate me even link him, bro. You see me? Desperate me even link him.
Call me, I know.
Like you have a hot phone, man. Desperate me even link him, believe me. So, I tell him, say, yo. Kind of sneezing that, man. But anyway, I tell him some of that link him, would I give him back with interest, bro. And 21,000 me I look. You see me? 21,000 me I look. If he even tell me say I have half, or even 10,000, still would I give him back with interest, bro. Cause as I said, I'm not really lying and nothing with him. He might tell me say, yo, him can nothing. If me and him there, would I give me money? But like how me and him left, now do nothing. Which, she I wouldn't big woman too. So me can't beg to her for that.
No.
And now I pray that too. But he might tell me say, alright, what you can do for help me out? Give me 1 $5 if you can clean your room.
Clean your room.
So me I say,
It's a forest too, my dog.
bro, I better me can do. But me not front up or nothing still. Me say, alright, where room then? You carry me in there, bro. Yo, I believe say, when me there, I sweep off the bed and sit. As time, me fit lift up the sheet. I want can now my buck up in there. I be coming I can dog. Can't believe, bro. So I
Can you wax him?
no, man. Nah, that underpants there too. So I call the girl and say, yo, what this? What kind of style this? He must say, no condom. If I don't know condom, look at this man, he man just rare. So, he must say, take up, so I say, take up work and give me one gloves. Really and truly, I don't want to take up the dog, but yo, I kind of want the money still.
Understand,
Rent money over everything, leave money over everything there, but I need a place to stay. But I say, alright, yo, give me one gloves and I'm going to take up it. Because I say, mama, this is embarrassing, dog. You see me, you can't call a big man for you to take up your man mess and shit.
No.
So, he must say, alright, I'm going to show me humiliating. I say, girl, take up your underpants with the condom in there. So, I feel, say, alright, I'm going to carry out here now. I say, girl, start fan me off with it. So, I say, hey, girl, I want you. I lift up me and for box him, but I say, no, I can't box him because I eat that too. Then, I go in front of him and I say, what you do? Give me money, because right now you're trying to style up my thing.
Yeah.
So, him come and I say, oh, I start load up him out and I say, police, stop you over here, harass me. I'm not too good in the neighborhood there now. Because everybody knows me and him good and everybody knows in them time, you see, everybody knows me I get born before me know dog. So I don't want to feel like I come back.
It's a neighborhood thing, no sound right. It's a village, a village.
So I don't want to feel like I come back and I find out me I get born and did I mash him up for true.
Yeah.
Because bro, I don't know a bad man place that you know dog. I know like some good not bad enough, but
I understand and a full place that. Must not feel vision so. Yeah,
I not even walk with a mash yet.
Nothing.
You see me? And then, yo, you see, if you hear me go on dog, and me would have convinced me over there kill him with the lick. So I just take up myself and cut, bro. So right now I'm not even getting no money from that there. And the girl beat me with the condom. And me I feel a way about that.
Beat you with the condom.
Yeah, just season man, I make nobody hear dog. But I kinda feel a way about it, bro. So
Why?
I don't know still dog.
I get things with the see a way about differently. Now I dog up the road when I'm talking man. In the pan of construction I say, you know. I can check him and can give a piece of work, man, you know. Tugger, man, you know, Tugger man, black tall, Tugger like, man.
That sitting lesson, Shana.
Yeah. That up there do someone for work on the place, you know. So probably can't go up there get a piece of roast, man. Can't pay your rent, man. I know dog with the right thing, you know.
Alright, me all link him.
Yeah, me think you me, say, you know.
But you know, not different, could I give it though.
No, I'm saying, if you have him with a gate.
Alright, no, I'm all free, bro. Respect, here.
Yeah, man, regular gate.
Father. Morning, David and Tucker, not sure.
Yeah, how was that?
You know what say, I want a piece of work, come on, I beg you, father, come here, if you don't want to come back.
No work for labor.
Yeah, man. We can't tie steel and lay black and everything.
Can
Can't lay black and tie steel and labor. Any type of work right now. I just want to work right now. Any type of work.
But you know come and work, man. You come in a supervisor.
No, actually, me just hear about him, man. But me not look much difference, man. I say, but you know, too.
No, man, my whole clothes.
We can't manage any work, man. Any work at all.
Me kind of close off, you know.
Father.
Kind of, you see, I'm me a do labor.
Father, me can't lead. Me can't lead and you sit down, man. Me do work for you. Father, you
You can mix. You can mix smarter.
Me can mix mortar, mix cement, mix steel, mix
Yeah, what mix it?
shovel.
You don't know. Water mix it.
Father, you know what going on? This is to me. I put me on the put out. Me need this work here. Me need it. Me do anything. Father, me mix it. Me flash the wall. Me carry cement. Me build the house myself. Me desperate for your work. Please.
Alright. Two okay, I'm going. But yeah, you know, I get much pain if me cool.
Much.
You know, cause you know start from man.
Father, alright. Don't worry about that, man. Father, I cannot.
But who tell you about that?
I job one son, man.
You're born.
I'm pure the pan cook.
Oh, you don't even say man, come and link him, you know.
Eh.
You link him, but it's like he's not available.
Don't worry, Father. Give me a couple. Get tired now. I'm take over out here, man.
But take your time, Mr.
Oh, man, me can't take no time, man. Me have other work to do in this one. Can't take no time.
It's up over there.
Yeah, man.
Honey, you're going to get it.
You good?
Yes.
I'm kind of sick.
David, what's that dirty boy up here? What's that dirty boy up here?
You know him?
I'm a dirty ex.
What?
I'm a dirty ex. You can't believe saying come over here this man and push me down.
What?
Come over here and beg about 21,000 when I want 21,000 can rent due. And he give me one go to hell, push it all my lower back and hurt me.
No,
he push me down and let me on my
Father, I lie
face.
my tell. No, man. Father, I lie my tell. I'm
Are you come back, sir? He kick me and me come up me.
Father, I lie my tell. Give me what, no, man.
You're saying no, you're saying good for don't take.
Sure.
Father.
You
Right.
just come on, me even know if a job won't tell you about it too.
Father, I lie my tell. What my mother come look how me mix everything already, man.
Hello, move 5 front of me.
Go to.
After you come on me here, come kick me down. Go through.
When look. Wait till I hold on. You can't let me mix it right.
Hey, so the man let me still mix something.
Say you want me leave this make it hard up.
What a party when you come back.
Just sit down, man.
Alright.
So what go on?
Yeah.
You there? Tell him to carry a little breakfast, come up there.
You left nothing for people.
So one thing I mean you buy it today. Then done?
Hello. Nobody start with me. You
You
just
buy
go and
4
work.
ramen yesterday. And egg.
Go and work. Just go and work.
You know, if you look about that car, come up here, man.
Just go and work. You hear? When I done, go work, go look about something to eat.
Oh. Yo, miss me no know what me doing. I like to take that easy girl they just follow me everywhere me go, man. Me get one walk look come and make one piece of money in idea. And that what make that gentleman there for there that the crosses girl there. You never do. I mean if you look him no but yo me tear the girl they come like a Satan. Watch out. That boy, what are you doing?
What because me say me go all like a boy. Come to my funny piece of boy and check him and make you know for your, you know.
Yo, you're good use and that. Bro, you want to believe some get you up. So get you up and mix up the cement dog and something. Cause you really and truly go and you want to give me but you saw me call on him. You like it dog say, yeah, a good thing.
You know, because I put funny boy sometime in there, you know, kind of paramore while.
Bro, I really life dog.
Mm.
Get you up and mix up some cement and something, bro. You know what I believe say. Said, girl, I'm tell us I'm going to link your teeth up, y'all this morning.
Mm.
You know what I believe say she and the brother.
Mm.
Dog,
You want also salty there, man.
Yeah, you think of that and you me just did finish the day with the work, everything would have good. But here we go on. Not even the fact say man there, you gotta come over there when you see me like in face change. Cause me see that Vienna, but me not even mind. Me go on the cement said there. But say he start telling man say, babes, what this a boy I do for the side running way. This a boy from over here, this man say he want to take what 20 grand from me. He kick me in the belly and start to sit down still. Man take away shovel and I feel like weird actually. I take away it's run me off the side, bro. So run me off the side, dog. Right now.
So you getting the people who not trying
Yeah, man, not it. At this man this me. But you know what go on. But me I left me just rich girl in my head back, dog. Cause me still there praying for the thing when I do this man, you know. And it come like a girl come like a pestilence and all that, dog. So right now, we just give one no look and run off, dog.
I should have more to like him when you go to white teeth, man. Cause you can't do business not relevant.
Bro, if me did do I feel better, bro. But dog, right now me I go over go down and cut it, dog. Cause I don't even know what I made that, bro. Believe.
What's up? It's a dog in the day, man. So now what I say, I see me can't do, you know.
That's so yeah.
Pencil can.
What about you? What's that way?
Yeah, but I go up there, man. Because even if I start something for up there for you. But like that go, I'm not going to go up there again.
Nah, I'm pretty good, man. I go down my yard.
You're right thing, man.
Well, then I come down stretch.
Can't believe my mouse so like girl running head. Nah, move right, man. Go check my clean my full on and see what I go on. Cause you know, put it in something there. Dogga.
Daddy.
Where you go?
Yeah, man.
Go and get a chip, man. My way to come check this morning.
Who?
See my boy come check this morning. Peace out.
Why you say someone there, man?
So my boy peace out, man.
Come here and say everything, say. I gimmicks thing in the pan.
Oh, man, so that peace out, man.
Now some things say gimmicks thing in the pan door.
No, man, I really got good youth, man, as I'm saying about it now.
Oh, what? Me have to run in my car. I have to know my ex. And I saying, come over there this morning. That's what I'm sitting there doing.
You show me 100, man.
Eh?
I'm show me full print, man. Tell me, say, my mom say about what, 2 years ago. Or about 2 months ago or something.
So long?
See me? How long your mom there now?
For 1 week now or 2?
1 week now. But I don't know, well, I know your mom but. So my boy tell me, say that I'm saying, check him off, borrow 21,000 for your rent and so on sitting. Mama clean say, watching the man. You have to clean in place and sitting. So if I go in there, to clean the place, I'm say, you might give him 6,000, you see me? But when I start cleaning, Pastor, you see one underpants on the bed and so on, use condom on the bed and so on sitting, you know? You see, when Patrick
use condom,
it's full of things. Use, basic,
yeah. Say something about condom, you know, I'm full get this story.
Like, but I tell me, say, yo, him that right this morning and all that, and so on sitting. So I like Pastor, yo.
What I know me name over there.
You know over there? I say, man must do something this morning, master, and left it on his bed and pack going in there.
Say she talk to somebody else then.
I don't know no boy. Then my papa must be saying want more money for it.
Yeah.
More to be condom like him and 9 face the condom, you know. Use condom, you know.
The thing said this girl so nice and smooth.
You look nice and smooth, but inside boy ugly, you know. You all the left now, you know. A bun more dog, you know. Yeah. And the person drop out and won't even come my friend, you know. So for us,
and then this is wrong.
wow. You know, girl pin come on the bus.
Yo,
For us, jigsaw for us,
you got that 1 week, you know, these two.
Hope you put the all of the girl there with my father.
No, man.
Give me a hard man, cause I know good girl that go to his son, like, I'm not worried now.
But to I come out this morning, I think that ain't now I pick argument.
No, man, I too much try to tell you this morning, man.
That
a good youth, man, that a working youth, you know.
They left 2 shovels there, but give him not recommend.
Alright, let me see that, me game it, you know.
Yeah, you can't help him stand it, you know.
So big up yourself, I go on the back, you see me?
Yeah, man, we there, man. We just done much up to work, you know.
Oh, you finished up already?
Yeah, man.
Alright, please, good man, come on, man.
Yeah.
Alright, boy, big up yourself.
Alright, my father, let's take a time.
Yes, man.
So that means you have 3, man.
And I need for one alive because God no.
I know.
David. David.
Yo!
Yo, bossy.
Them fam.
Take some can up me door, brother. Brother, you asleep. You're so comfortable, bro. You know, say right for you, bro. You're right. You how long now?
No man, I'm fighting the fish man.
Oh, you must get 5 with the 25,000 you have. You pay me for my rent.
What? Boss, yeah, and not even. I want to, and not even 2 o'clock. Would you tell you come back so far?
Bro, you're still in your sleep, bro. Wake up, man. Shake up yourself, bro. What do you mean I'm not even 2 o'clock and you come back so fast?
So you come back, no 6 o'clock you're at you.
So our time now?
No, for 2. You need more time, but boss, you're on here, man. See the 2:35.
Yeah, I mean never did have much time, but anyway, I'm glad I reach still because I want my rent money.
What we think, I would agree for 6 o'clock. How you forward so early?
Bro, agree or no agree, bro. Me give you some time. You must come up with my money and now, bro. Want it, brother. Davey, I want to your head space, bro.
You don't have all that. Alright. You don't have all that, bro. I'm gonna go for some work this man, but I don't college yet, man. You have so I want 4 grand as well.
Bro, it's a 4 grand. I feel time when me give you, bro. At 25,000 for your rent, you know, bro.
Yeah, so 21 hour you know.
Bro, this a feel time, bro, when you're in my house, bro.
What?
This a feel time, bro, when you're in my house, bro. Look how much time pass and before you even think, bro. Yo, bro, bad man. No let me go to station, bro.
So much more.
No must see 25, bro. This a feel extra time when me give you a blind for me stay in the house, bro.
So I can get rent money next month then. And that's 4 grand for.
You want me go out to station or what?
Boy, if you talk foolish now, because I give you the money, that means say, either I owe you 21,000 or I owe you overall. I don't understand.
You know, pay me for space and time when you're in there for the hours and with the boss, bro.
So, me make it right now.
Yo.
Me can't carry it in the night then.
Bro, just make sure so me get my money before you're done. Always me I go to the station. Me I go to the station. Just make sure me get my money.
I'll go back in there and I'll find a hook.
Father, me see you call me, you know, but me kinda busy, you know. And a matter of fact, me know you call me for already. Me must say you borrow me money from Melissa, you know. And you know, give it back to me, you know. So you see you call you and call me know some money you want to borrow. Me not, hey, nothing in life not free now, you know, my father. Hold on, me I get a beep. Yeah, JPS a call me, want to pay my light. Me call you back. Yes. You know like that, big.
Yeah, I father color.
What go on?
I'm there, man.
No disrespect still in my father, me a bridge, you know, but just when you forward it.
Yeah.
No, you need to knock the short. You know, cause things kinda critical now, and plus Melissa blowing the whole of my yard, the fence, everything. So just call money afford me can know say your fault. So I pray you now, a long time I not see you.
Boy,
But Melissa deal with you good man.
No man. Boy, right now I'm there for my face.
Ras.
I do my head can't do man. But a different story that. You know what I'm saying? In real life, do I drop asleep and wake up back. Come landlord come knock up the door.
So why you need to wake up back?
Boy,
Well, on the landlord come knock up the door.
you're going on man, me give
How you get too much? You give him too much money for your rent?
wish I did that and him come give me back some money and say.
Hold on, now go on.
Here I go in real life. You know what I'm saying? I don't tell no lie. Come and book me there on my face from when. On my face, I don't grow on. You know what I'm saying? The woman me and him there.
Hold on, man, cause I like get things straight, you know. Cause I remember when me I go to school, me never that front or back. Me and Miglo. You say it up on your face, like you lie down on your face and
Things not going good for me.
Oh, not now go on. Things rough.
Things are rough.
Oh, I feel all away, man. All away,
I
man.
feel like you're rough upon me. You know what I'm saying? The funeral them in the last 2 months, it cost me one piece of money. I'm a landlord, but I'm not telling like, if you 2 years, I did
Hold
it.
on, man. All way a bright boy, man. A girl in the use, so you move too fast. Remember, say local London me use, bro. What you say about funeral?
You know what I'm saying? The people in Japan, man.
Who for people in Japan?
I told me not to talk about him, man, but pops they in Japan, man.
But although me no live good, you know. And me still no live bad. You could have tell me come at the funeral.
Let me give you one drama too. You know, say me and my girlfriend left because I find out say I give me bun. Even though I give me bun, you know, say him don't come at my funeral. And since man even link him, cause me link him for a piece of money, you know, me drop man. As me tell you, things are rough man, me link him for 10 cents. Or tell him some I borrow one money from him to pay rent and give him back with interest. You know him what tell me say? Him what tell me say, if me and the debt he would have give me, but he don't, me and him not there now, so he not give me nothing. So he tell me say, color and book, he tell me say right now, only thing he can do for me if I go clean up in room and he give me 5,000. So I say, alright, normal pre that, we are man. So anyways, me go in there clean up it. When me move the towel, no one can not messy with the mess in the said way. So I call him and say, oi, what is this? He might tell me say him and his boyfriend this morning or something so. If take up here and he give me 6,000. So I say me not depend on that. He say he take up here and start beat money around me out of the house.
Beat you with the condom.
Me shame, color and book. You know how me no box him down? It's the neighborhood. Be a bad man did that.
Oh, neighbor black.
Bad place. And he start ball and say rape and say how me in there hold him down. So me have to take with myself.
Hold on, man, hold on. Hold on. You know ball, it from you left and everything. You know ball.
No ball when you left me, you know.
You just a ball for you, know, because you're good. But hold on, Davy. You go through a lot. Your girlfriend left you without no reason.
You give me a bun.
You give you a bun. You give you a bakery, you truck everything.
The whole factory.
And then after that, now you go through a lot and you reach out to him and tell him, say, you look at money. And he tell you, say, you have to clean out the room.
Things are nice.
You know, so you shouldn't go clean out the room. But anyway, you go clean out the room.
I told me to go.
You want the money, me understand that. And then you see the condom. Remember, son, I don't feel the condom, you know. The condom I feel the somebody, you know. And you take you out. And then him beat up.
Color and book.
And me alone not tell that.
Color and book. I tell my friend Jabo.
Jesus Christ, Father. What make you tell him?
Color and book. Me shame and hurt. I can't hold to myself, so I link Jabo. He send me upon one.
Jabo have a plan for your phone. You better pray if you have a plan, because everybody go hear it, you know.
Normal.
But anyway, get to the topic, you know.
Jabo send me upon one piece of work. You know what, Toga have one construction site over so.
Toga that a Mr. Brown father. Toga the local maga youth. We're not trying for us and trim in here.
He have one construction site. Me go over there and beg him a work. After me tell him say, Ray, me get the work.
You get it?
Me get
Thank God.
Hold on. Color and book, me get the work. You want believe say, guess who want Toga there?
Him and your woman.
My dirty ex. The girl come there coming on with for breakfast in car come. He come and say, oh, this a dirty boy I do on your site. What you do on your site? And say, how me come over there come kick him in the belly this morning. I want bag of say, color and book. He man take his shovel from me and run me and me yard. Me shame.
Hold on there.
And so comes me down.
Are the same woman when me know you have? Another that woman there.
You know could have worse color and book.
You never watch movie yet? Boy, that woman you come like a JC in a one part of your life and the next part you come like him a Freddy. If you sleep and you dream, you see when you name Freddy. If you wake up, you
why? You don't know what to do. Right now, me not even want to tell all of my stress them, but right now you come like a mad come
no, me no want you no more, because I never cry in my life yet. My auntie cousin, sister, uncle, cousin left. And in drop out, in unalive. And me no ball. And see me have a ball for you. Me can't take no more your problem, man. Right, look here, from your forward look wild. Me wash my face and look good, and from your forward and me your problem. Me ugly, me heart for look pan. Me no want you nothing more. Alright, go along down you now.
Let me get to your point.
More left?
You know, me give him 4 grand already.
Who you give 4 grand?
My landlord. And 25,000 for my rent. You don't know how things are go, but you know what? You can't lend me and me give you back with interest. If you lend me 25, me give you 30.
No, hold on there. Can I tell you say, me never the front of the class are black, you know, me in the middle.
Yeah.
What you say look while?
If you lend me 25, we give you back 130 in a month.
You want me to lend your money?
If you can.
What do you going to lend me and give me back interest and you don't have it?
No man, me soon get back my back. Melissa Blue and the hotel in lockdown, but my boss said 2 weeks time.
You know, say your landlord will kick off, my landlord give me 2 months free, you know?
Yeah.
So why your landlord?
My landlord, you like
Davy,
2 months
listen
extra.
what me I say now, man. Listen, now, from man in my phone and I pay people a call. You know, say if you call me, I tell us something I have it. But you see, when you tell me the problem, you know, me nearly want to lend you. I feel like I want to lend you. I'm not sure I want to lend you, you know.
Yes, you can.
But me have to go think about it. Let me think about it. Hold on. No, let me just think about it. He say a woman beat him. And then he got a rope on his side. I think about it, you know. Hold on. And he get a rope on his side. And a woman did that again. He might go through a lot, you know. I want him to help him. Hold on. Wonder if me fi help him, Father God. Help him? Alright. Alright, me think about it.
Yeah.
Yes. Me I go lend you the money, you know. But let me tell you something now. You know, me kinda tired. Me I go up on the road. So, nothing in our life no free, you know.
Yeah.
So me I go lend you the money, but you know. No disrespect, you know. Me I go lend you the money, you know. But no disrespect. Me if you wash up a plate them in my house, I'm kinda tired, so me if you can wash them up for me.
Oh, you mean color and
And me
book? Oh, you
get me.
mean
How much money you say, man?
25,000.
No man, you come like the whole restaurant you have to go wash up, man. A whole heap of money that, you know.
Much have?
Alright, me I go lend you 25. Me I go lend you 25. So,
Trail.
yeah, man. Yeah, man. But just wash up the plate them
Oh,
first.
you run about then.
No, me no have back. Run a black.
What you mean color and book?
Yes.
Where else you want what? You want your shoes? Give me your shoes, man. Me wash. You want wash it up?
No.
Ah.
But anyway, you can if you don't mind, if you want to sweep up your yard, you can and carry some water.
You want me paint your house?
Yes, and some water from the party. Oi! Remember say dog around there.
Him good, man. All him with feet.
All
Wash
right.
him too.
Alright, do that. Jesus Christ, Father God, what a man wicked man. Me not take up no kind no me no.
Nah, man. I'm so much plate. Color and book of wash, man. Then, wash all, man. Like a mag, you should not in a plate there. Bleach. 25,000. We're not trying to go.
Boy, the man. No.
Color and book of so much plate you around, man.
Oh, if Fab done, you want more Fab?
No, you plate them done wash, man.
You done wash up your plate them already?
Everything.
You sweep up your yard?
Color and book, me sweep up here.
You paint round the house?
No, me you paint done. Just see if you get someone to come back and deal with me. No,
You don't have no trouble you?
no man, you good, man.
No man, hold, me not believe you. Hold on there. Hold on there, man. Lord Jesus Christ. All my dog, man, dead. No, sir.
Hey.
Let me tell you something now. I say you wash up your plate them fast.
Color and book, you know you're some desperate for your rent money.
All you had to sweep up fast.
Color and book, if I tell me if you catch a sky, would I catch you
Listen
faster
what me
than
I say
that?
now. You see next time you come on my yard, don't beat me dog. Me no want him tear in. You wash up your plate them too fast, man. Come. You know some. Oh Jesus Christ. How me ever tell you this now, man?
What, you want to give me an extra color? Yo, me know say you're good youth. Give me 30, man. You don't bother me, you just want to give me, not true.
You know say. You know me just get an important call. Me side chick.
So,
Me must attend side chick me have, you know.
No,
Me not talk the first one, the second one, the third one, or the fourth one. Me attack 10, 9, 8, 7. The 7 one, side chick. Say you want the money. You want to do a bar shot.
you know, man, can't let you.
Me I go give me that money. Me must I'm a side chick, you know. Me them spit pan your liquor off the back end.
But color and book, me just wash up your plate, them and be
I know,
Color
but
and book,
I'm a side chick them.
Color
that, you
and
know.
2 times sleep up here, you know.
I
Color
mean,
and 1
me
time.
sleep up with 2 times. But listen, you see you wash the plate fast still. Me say I'll give 1 2 grand. Let's buy a beer. You see me? Me I go because me I go give me side chick the money. And one more thing, when you left just like a gate, oh, me just remember, Melissa blow down the fence, no gate, no did just walk out. And next time no beard me dog. Sorry about that. You know side chick they important. Had them going at the studio and sing.
Color, what we say, I waste my time, brother.
Father God, please forgive me. I don't mean nothing. Side chick them very important, you know.
Yeah, did them father.
What, man?
You come for washing though.
Yeah, man, if you watch, you know?
Boy. You're rough teeth in the way, you know.
Yeah, I make water calm, I'm gonna wash.
No lie. You know what's the different though? I want the money to me come borrow from you, you know. You want 25 bombs someone come borrow, you know.
Some of them talking to you, man.
You know, say my boy, I want to stay with him, wants to try help him out, you know.
What kind of situation?
The landlord want to put him out and sitting. I'm going to check in ex-girl for money, the ex-girl give him all. In house, in room, to clean up. And boss, when I saw a condom on the bed with beer sitting in night.
I don't know if you can.
No, ex-girl.
Oh.
I borrow money from the pay in rent.
Oh.
But the girl want him clean out in room. And boss book up a condom on the bed with beer sitting in night.
Oh,
And
God.
pass say you want extra money to do that and mama just take you and start beating with it. Box him up in the see what he can
It
do.
is since that you speak highly of him.
Mm.
You hear me, I tell you. Somebody just gone drop off $200 from you, yeah?
Mm.
So you know the $200 worth 30,000, right?
So.
So I go, my mother lady, just take it 25. How you speak highly of him.
And Kawaki 5.
And Kabaki 5.
Boss.
A matter of fact, you any little poor picnic when it's on the road.
He 5.
Give them 1,000 each. Let them buy juice.
Alright.
Make sure you do right.
You know my thing coming already, man. Alright, man.
I'm not trying to lie you tell me.
No, oh God.
I love smoke and drink.
Yo, Davey.
Yo, job one, I free.
Yeah, man, some of a chicken shop before that come give me a check, you see me?
Bro, I know I say, I'm not really in mood though, my bro.
Yo, yeah, me I say no man, no bother with that, man. Come give me a check, man. When something come check, you come check me, man. You see me?
Alright, my bro, I'm not.
Come give me a check, man.
Alright, bro.
Wash
Alright.
no face. Let's go.
I free, bro.
Yeah, man. They go on for you.
Damn, I'm there, dog. What now, man? You know, say between me and you. Be almost done. I'm gonna make you rent money yet. I feel like, say. I just go home and pack my things, dog.
Pack your thing.
Ah.
Whether with that, man.
No, bro, I'm not another option. Cause
Everything much, man.
no, bro. Bro, a while ago, I got link from the board coloring book as a last option. You see me? Coloring book as a last option. Yeah, I believe, say. Linky dog. Dog boy. Dog book for me say, oh, let me 25,000. But he say, if I feel no way for wash up a plate, them so I say feel no way with what, bro? Yeah, do me a favor for my dear.
Hold on there. You link your ex, girl. You have a clean house. You link your... Are you virgin that?
Real virgin, bro. But
And you have to wash plate. And you're a real virgin that. What you say? Keep talking. Yeah.
so, in some wash up plate and something, dog. Bro, I wash up a plate, I sweep up a yard, I feed the dog and bathe the dog. In real life, dog, we're living in that house.
Sweeping yard and bathing
Bro,
yard.
to the way I'm appreciative of the money, dog. You don't believe someone don't do all that, the man all link me and say, yo, your side chick must want to get rid of get rid of some belly sitting dog, so you forgot a doctor. So the man all look for me and give me $2 grand and say, yo, you can't lend me money again because no one call him. But dog, in real life, I feel like a craft me. I'm not job one. So the man give me $2 grand, dog. If I could have taken and fling him back off him and this him, I do it. But I can't afford to do it because dog. I just use the $2 grand and buy one food for the night and find like a box to sleep under sitting dog cause.
Next thing, you can't buy more than food anymore, man. I'm telling you, man, but here we're going now. Some of the people, on a real virgin, you see me? Link on my boy, man. Borrow a thing from him, but he doesn't lend me. Man, give me it. So here we're going.
I wish me there were virgin like that, man.
And you have one like that, man. Watch out. A 2 bills this. Me not lend you, you know. Give me a gear that.
Job one, I like that.
Say, give me a gear that my father, man.
I thought you told I must say I couldn't find for rent, man.
25 for your rent, you know, one food for him. They can't use it 5,000 and buy for groceries from father, man.
Yo.
No bother with no bother with that.
Bro,
No, man.
thank you that, yo.
Yo, it's no man, it's no bother with that, man.
No, man,
I don't
dude.
respect my father, man. I'm
Bro,
man, just respect
bro,
my father.
yo, I'm brush off
But you're mad until they say them the boy and read from where you're part my father, man. And I do nothing for father, man. What is me?
You don't know what you do for me right now, bro.
Yeah, man.
Bro, you don't know what you do for me, dog. I tell you the truth. Job one.
No bother with I feel that my father, man. We just eat a while ago, man. Normal free, man.
No, bro. Right now, I gotta shop, we'll get something.
Do your right
Thank you
thing.
so much.
Pay your rent.
Alright.
And yam some
Yo,
food.
thanks, here.
You're good, man. Big up yourself. Yeah, there's also a man there and a real friend them there, you know. But if you want man wash plate and be a dog and see. Yeah, man.
I want to from you. I'm not fit.
I'm good. You know, sometime in our life, not every friend liar, but you see my boy Jawbone. I really used. I really like Jawbone. I really do. Man, she can't pay my rent. Man, she can't pay my rent, Father God. I'm nice, billion.
Yo, look for my bike, dog. You man tell me say 50 grand you want give me for this.
Eh, I like.
Yo, I want 20 more. Let's take a fine.
50 grand. What, bro? This worth more than 50
You know
grand.
that me a charge you this me.
So that's not like a coking thing you buy.
I'm with my badness, how much money me pay for this?
Clean bike, no more buy, no puppy, then I just me not have the money, I don't know.
Look, but the money if you have the money, me sell them and all the thing you want to do a wash off, you know. I don't know how me I keep
So,
no
what
money.
my price?
Your price, you make 110.
110.
110, you know sound bad. Me not talk about the 110, the car, them, you know.
Oh,
Me talk about 110,000.
can't pay down pan, you know, cause, what as a matter of fact, why can't get piece of rent money, you know?
539. I Evelyn, you know.
Boy, rent due 539. Yo, don't move. Me soon forward.
May I go and wait for you?
Yeah, rent, boy, rent due.
Alright.
David, what one for me rent, bro? For a 539 now, soon 6 o'clock, you know, bro.
Landlord, you're insecure and good, man.
Oh,
I'm telling you, man, my rent money pull down, you know.
so
But I like how you push on me from here, and I'm not go around here. I like how you push on me from here, because you know what I mean, I'm trying you. I never yet owe you, other than if you one look at time, the things that go on in my life. So when I can't push on me from here, come and take me 4 grand.
bro, me no problem for no talk. You know, say I'm rent money, come in, give me my rent money.
Yes, I tell us I don't like how you deal with your money secure and your good, but I tell us I don't appreciate that. Because in a year time, I never deal with you no time. But hold on for a bit, man. Now, one more you have to give already.
Money, oi. Money, oi.
Let me see this. Oh, boss, I two until I have the have, I don't know how I don't know if I can't get that. It's a 15 more bills. That's a boss, that it has 16,500. I don't know what. I don't know if I last, I don't know how. I must be 3 or 4 grand pay now, so around 28,000 that. I don't know why you're not Not sure, I don't know why you're not money, or I don't know why you're not big money. I'm the have money, you know. When I'm approaching it, boss, you know what I work from up and
Yo,
boss, what
yo.
you know what I work my up and I get styling today. I go make cement. My ex girl style me, I all heap of things I do, man. To keep the 20 grand, remember saying things tough, you know.
Now zip your mouth. Go and go pack your bag and leave. No. Go and go pack your bag.
Boss, give me back money then.
As a matter of fact, else.
Boss,
Pack your bag. I know when you come back here, you pack.
Alright, baby. I'm gonna link you later, okay? Alright, baby.
Yo, puppy dan.
Yo, we say ready now, Fiki, you know.
Yo, wait now, brother. Eric's breaks. You know what say come like me. The boy go around me think me no bother take no money from him, you know.
You know, but I take the money from him, say you rent no deal, so what you mean by?
The boy I tell me saying he get a stress him and how much walking up and get styling, but he give me $100 US and 15 bills, but he give me 4 grand early on.
Hold on, call if around 20 grand in here.
Alright. But the man fi give me more money, brother.
What to be? Sorry, the 5 grand you go on over. In all this paying rent.
Yeah.
How long you over your place?
But 3 years now.
3 years, you ever miss a rent it?
I first seen them, me see.
And you go on over 5 grand you out. You know how much me I give this a bike for? 120. And me take off 10 off it. 110 me tell you to give me. You hear me I go on bad about price and you go on bad over 5 grand.
Me see people are going bad over close spin.
Alright. So what you know now? 130 me I give this for then. 130 and it start. Remember say about no person? About no person? You ready, you know? 130 you know, watch out. But no press it. Ready. Lock off your back. 1:30 and get it move right now. So yo, where you there?
You over here that pack up figure.
Pack up figure away.
No must see some, me don't know.
You put him out.
Then no must.
Watch, man. Yo, Tibi, you know something I like how you move and grateful and wicked.
Puppy member say inherit the house and I like say build me a try a thing.
So now the same thing you to do a try a thing. And when you buy the bike from me, you want to go look money, you want to try a thing. Tibi, you can't put out the man youth, you can't do that my youth. Give him man a chance, youth. The man never who you rented. And the one little time man owe you $5,000, bro. You make it look like a one will rent him man owe you. One. Look at money man owe you, $5,000.
I'll give $50,000 fee bike and owe you.
Yo, live from friends. So you feel like say, hey boy, don't run put me in a boy.
Alright, I'm gonna make it still. Alright.
Yo,
Yo, but you know I take you $50,000.
$50,000 for what?
So you
cheap?
complain with my $5,000 when you owe me.
Yo, go on, you go. Eric, you must feel like, yo, don't run put my boy. Baby. Boy, I tell me boy you want to give me $50,000 fee. You must be mad. I look at your rights for fee.
David.
Yo,
David.
so me can come in. I hear a place and I'm not listen again. I'm close and I get to go up the road.
Boy, father. You get to find out some middle of the day, they're harsh, bro. Cause me raise you one of my brothers and I go and say, if you give a blind till all the next 2 months or 1 month. So I'm sorry about that. You can't stay till a month, bro.
Father, I'll lie you tell.
God know, bro. Just know, say.
Bossy, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You don't know what you do for me. Believe me, son. All day to them and try and get your money, man. Believe me.
I know, man. I know how you feel, man. So just put back, unpack your bag and just normal off till 1 month time.
You sure?
Bro,
Bossy, thank you. I could have hugged you. Actually, I love you. I could have hugged you. Thank you.
no, I'm gonna hold
Thank you.
I'm gonna hold you back, you know, but I just don't know back, man. Alright, so, big up yourself.
Alright.
Yeah, bro.
You don't see the old boy. You will say you'll find the right money. You will say you'll do it. So calm. 1 more month answer, please.
Watch man, one puppy dan. I'm here represent for David and HD. And for you see the video, that means you made it to the end of this movie. The movie I call Help, My Rent is Due. People, make sure you like the movie, and make sure you share the movie, and make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in the fall, and just go and stay safe in our Christmas. Go and enjoy yourself in our New Year. But there I see me, I go and put in the work. So you just stay tuned, because whole heap more things you have forward in our New Year, man. Whole heap of things in our pipeline. I'm out.